Welcome to the Villas at Parkview, where old meets new. In this brand new development, you have a community of 59 units, right around the corner from shops and restaurants, and a straight shot to Tennessee Tech University, all while right here in the heart of Cookeville, Tennessee.
Our New Jersey developers chose this prime location and started renovating every detail in this community.
From updated brick exterior comes a modern look with upgraded exterior cosmetics. Privacy partitions, new roof, gutters, and plumbing are some of the many new additions.
Here you're offered 4 different layouts ranging in price from $165,000 to $250,000. Every part of the interior has been refreshed from heat and air to insulation and framing. You also have premium flooring, modern cabinets, brand new appliances, quartz countertops, and sound-resistant walls for privacy.
Range from 700 to nearly 1,300 square feet. 1 to 3 bedroom floor plans to look at, and some free standalone options as well.
Some great amenities include a mini dog park, all ground maintenance, walking trails, and only minutes from food and shopping centers.
Living in the city has its perks, like Interstate Drive, better known as Restaurant Row, where you have amazing fast food options, great restaurants, and if you like to cook, right around the corner is Publix, Walmart, and Kroger. If you're looking for cozy living, exceptional convenience, modern aesthetics, and at an affordable price here in Cookeville, then look no further than the Villas at Parkview.